Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can link a Ubisoft account to Steam. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, access your Steam, and you're going to go to Ubisoft and find the game that you want to play on Steam. So let's say this is the one, Riders Republic, and you're gonna go ahead, go to your Steam, get logged in, and once you're done logging in, go to the search bar and simply go ahead, add in the game Riders Republic, which is also in Ubisoft. Once you have got the game, you're gonna go ahead, go to the play section. Once you have get the game, once you have done that, you will find a pop-up window that will ask you to either log into your existing Ubisoft account or create a new one. You're going to go ahead, create a new account or log in with your Ubisoft account in that game. Then you will find the option of link your Steam and Ubisoft account. Tap on confirm, and then your Ubisoft account and Steam account will be linked, and you can play the Ubisoft game on Steam like that. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.